I got it. Not only did I get it, but I got kicked out of the store in true Berns fashion. I'm such a rebel. Make sure to watch to the end of the video to see that outtake. But I got my shot. I got it. This is going to be one of your happiest investments. Oh my God. Why haven't I had this in my life sooner? Screen size is a beautiful change from this up to this, especially as a digital artist. That's amazing. I'm so excited about this. I went to the Apple store today and I decided, after much deliberation, that I would pick up a new iPad Pro. Let's unbox this beauty together, shall we? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, usually when I buy a product, I rip it open in the store. I can't wait to get my hands on it. But this time I wanted to save it because one of my favorite things to do is watch unboxing videos on YouTube. I already took off the plastic, but for those of you who love the ASMR aspect of unboxing, this is for you. Okay, let's go. Here she is. Oh my goodness. I love the packaging that you get with Apple products, and this is no exception. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful. This is the iPad Pro 12.9 inch with Wi-Fi, 256 gigabytes, which is so important because the iPad that I've been using has only 32 gigabytes, and it's really hard to do the kind of content creation work and digital art and video editing that I need to do on a 32 gigabyte iPad. That's just not happening. Now, she smells so good. All right, so here she is. Hello. Oh. This is a beautiful feel in the hand, and I haven't even taken the packaging off it yet. So let's do the honors, shall we? Look at that baby. Look at that beautiful, beautiful iPad. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it already. I love you already. I love you already. Okay, let's see what else comes in this box. We've got some stickers and manual stuff in there, and a USB-C connector cable and a USB-C dongle. Yay! And in here, hello manual. So yes, we've got a little manual that talks about setting this up with Face ID, which I absolutely love. This talks about the control center, some different features. But as a digital and graphic designer, I absolutely love the attention to detail. Like how this mirrors the profile of the iPad itself. Attention to details. Love that. Love that. And we've got some warranty information and the biggest Apple stickers ever. Love it. Okay, so before we turn her on, I want to open up the pencil. Let's open up the pencil. the Apple Pencil. This is the 2nd generation Apple Pencil. It's got gesture controls, which I'm really excited about. You can double tap the pencil. So let's open this up. It says designed by Apple in California. The Apple Pencil. 2nd generation Apple Pencil. It would be nice to do away with the plastic though, wouldn't it? Just saying. And then here's the pencil itself, and wow, it feels a little bit more matte than the 1st generation pencil. There is a flat surface, and that's where you would be attaching it to the iPad at the top magnetically. The tips do come off for replacing when they get worn out. Let's check it out with the iPad. I haven't even turned her on as yet, guys. And the power button's right up here. Hello. Why, hello. She's talking to me. She's talking to us. Just swipe up to open, select English. Select your region, Canada, quick start. Bring your current phone or iPad near this iPad to sign in and set up. Okay, so we are just updating the operating system here. Let's try attaching the pencil. Oh! Oh, that is a strong magnet. Yeah, that is really... that's strong. So this is going to charge and sync all in one. So much more convenient. So we are still waiting on the software update to go ahead and update, and that is the iOS 13.3.1, which completely transforms this handheld device into something so powerful that I really don't need a laptop or a desktop situation anymore. So I'm so excited. I'm so happy about that. So let's give this a little bit more time to update, and we'll be right back to test out how beautifully this thing works. It's been 3 days since I started playing around with my new iPad Pro, and I have to say my first impressions are, oh my God, why haven't I had this in my life sooner? It's such a beautiful piece of machinery, honestly. What I love about it is the ergonomics of it. If you put your finger right in the center of the Apple logo on the back, you can see how beautifully balanced it is. That's amazing. It feels really comfortable in my hand. It is not so large that it feels that awkward. I've also got the 7th generation iPad. And it doesn't feel that much different in weight, to be honest. I mean, I know there is a little bit of a difference. This actually feels heavier than this. The screen size is a beautiful change from this up to this, especially as a digital artist. And for editing videos, there are so many powerful apps that this can now perform and run so beautifully that this is actually replacing my big iMac and my MacBook Air. I'm retiring those in favor of this iPad Pro. Let me know down in the comments if you've got one, what are your thoughts on it, or if you don't have one, are you thinking of getting one? If you're thinking of getting one and you have the funds to invest in it, because it's not cheap, I'm not gonna lie, but when you think about future-proofing yourself, this is so future-proof. Definitely recommend getting something as powerful and as beautiful as this, because you're gonna be good for a while. I love that I'm gonna be able to do all of my video editing and my graphic design work, as well as all my usual content creation stuff right here from this portable device. That to me is absolutely mind-blowing. It's absolutely mind-blowing. So I'm really, really happy that I made this investment, and it's going to get a lot of views. We're going to do some really fun stuff on here. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and set your notification on, because I'm going to be doing a lot of tutorials on how I edit on the iPad using LumaFusion, how I draw and create my digital planners on Procreate, and all the different apps that I love using for creating thumbnails. And as a YouTube content creator, this is something that if you are in a position to invest in something like this, or if you just want it for something really fun to unleash your creativity, this is going to be one of your happiest investments. I can tell you it has been for me.
Filming in the store, like with customers and stuff like that. So
I'm getting the shot again. I'm not getting kicked out. I just bought an Apple goddamn $2,000 product. Don't care. I got it. Guess what else? I just got kicked out of the Apple store. No shit.